Hello there. Let's quickly show you how to replace the battery in your DET-SMK AC1 and DET-SMK RF AC1 MATelec smoke alarms. Both models include a 1-year alkaline battery as a backup in case of a power outage. This battery should be replaced every 12 months. When changing it, make sure you also check the unit expiry date on the back of the alarm. Once the alarm reaches the end of its 10-year lifespan, the entire unit needs to be replaced. You'll know the battery needs replacing if your smoke alarm begins chirping once every 48 seconds. This chirp cannot be silenced until the battery is replaced. It's very simple to replace the battery. Just follow these steps. Press the push button on the side of the unit to release the alarm from its base. Then open the alarm body. Remove the old battery and insert a new one. One of these approved options. Now close the alarm body and reattach it to the base. Finally, test your alarm by pressing and holding the test button for at least 5 seconds. The alarm will sound and the red LED will flash. If your alarms are interconnected, they will sound together for 10 seconds. Make it a habit of repeating this test every 6 months to keep your smoke alarms in top working order. And remember, every MATelec smoke alarm is backed by the Smarter Smoky Guarantee. Compliant, complete support, guaranteed.